This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, July 24th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have a ridge over the south and west, northwesterly flow across our neck of the woods, a disturbance moving through the Pacific Northwest into the northern Rockies and the Canadian Prairie provinces. With that, that'll bring some rain showers over around Alberta, British Columbia, into northern and western Montana. Around here, it'll still be mainly sunny, but a piece of that storm will be just about to enter the state late in the day with a few showers, and that'll come through here Thursday night into the day on Friday with some showers, thunderstorms. The southwestern counties could see clearing late or by the middle of the day, and highs could go well into the 90s there, upper 70s to lower and middle 80s elsewhere. Then that system moves off after some early day rain and Saturday. The rest of the day looks to be mostly sunny. Highs will be mainly in the 80s across the state with partly to mostly sunny skies. Sunday will be the same story. We could see some afternoon clouds, especially in our northeastern counties where we could see an afternoon shower or storm there. Readings in the upper 70s to lower 80s across the state. And then with this cold push of air, you can see the frontal system across the east coast and then down into the southern plains. High pressure over the Siouxland will be bringing some clear skies, sunshine, cooler conditions, highs in the 70s to near 80. Monday, Tuesday will be the same story. You see the front all the way down to the Gulf Coast at this point. Lows will be in the 50s to near 60. It'll be very pleasant. And then Wednesday, it looks to be that we could see a disturbance that could bring some isolated showers or storms, mainly in the afternoon with a lot of the cold air aloft. Still, readings will be in the 70s to around 80, maybe some low 80s. You can still see that trough overhead next Thursday, ridge building over the south and west where they need rain, especially in the northwest. The trough over the east bringing very unseasonably cool air to the Great Lakes and northeast. And we still could see some isolated showers and storms, mainly in the afternoon hours, across the state here next Thursday, with readings still likely in the 70s to around 80 at that time. As we go into the extended period and into the month of August, August the 4th, we still have a ridge over the west. Not really much of a trough over the east as it's beginning to flatten out. The pattern's beginning to flatten. You can see a small disturbance moving into the state. Could be bringing some showers and storms off to our west. We have the afternoon activity across the southeast, and a disturbance over the Great Lakes could produce some precipitation there, with readings mainly in the lower and middle 80s, if this is right. Going into the end of the forecast, August the 8th, pretty much the ridge is starting to break down over the south and west as the storm track is beginning to move back into at least the Pacific Northwest, and then it goes across Canada. Still could see some activity to our south and east, which is the daily afternoon showers and storms. We could see a little bit of activity around here, but it's very disorganized and may change on future runs. Satellite image from last evening, you can see a frontal system moving across the east down into the south, some showers and storms beginning to dissipate over Texas and Louisiana, some storms over the northwest and into Canada. Elsewhere it was fairly quiet. The watch warning map shows that. This is from last evening. We had some heat advisories in Texas and Oklahoma, excessive heat warnings in the southwest, along with a heat advisory, red flag warnings in the west, severe thunderstorm watch in Montana. KPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall could be somewhat significant, maybe up to an inch or more across the state, the heaviest over the northeastern counties, the lightest over the southwest. The heaviest will be across Kentucky and Tennessee.